Hey there, I'm Nima with over 5 years of professional experience working in the exciting world of 3D design. I'm here to teach you how to create a UV atlas in a way that's both fun and engaging. In this course, I'll walk you through 3 different techniques, each with its own unique twist. We will use Blender for one method, and for the other two we explore software like Photoshop and Substance Painter, but it's important to note that using these tools is optional. First, we tackle the unwrapping of 3D models in 2 different ways, and then we'll venture into the captivating world of UV Atlas creation. You will also learn how to create ID materials and discover how to use them for texturing. Throughout this course, we'll get hands-on experience with 3 different models using various methods. We'll address challenges like bleeding and unlock creative solutions. The only requirement is a basic understanding of Blender. The UV Atlas method streamlines your workflow, eliminating the need for multiple maps. This course is a perfect fit for anyone aspiring to work in the gaming, film, or animation industries. Join me and let's embark on an exciting journey into the world of UV Atlas creation.